Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make steak tips on the stove. First, select about 1.5 pounds of quality steak tips, like sirloin or tenderloin. It's crucial to pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step is key for achieving that beautiful crust. Then, season them generously on all sides with about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. This simple seasoning enhances the natural flavor of the meat. Now let's get that incredible sear. Heat 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed, in a heavy-bottomed skillet, preferably cast iron, over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Add the steak tips in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Sear them for 2 to 3 minutes per side, turning only once until a deep brown crust forms. This creates a delicious exterior while keeping the inside tender. To elevate the flavor, reduce the heat to medium-low and add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the pan. As the butter melts, toss in 2 cloves of minced garlic and a sprig of fresh rosemary or thyme. Tilt the pan slightly and use a spoon to baste the steak tips with the fragrant melted butter and aromatics for about 1 minute. This step infuses the meat with incredible depth and richness, making every bite truly satisfying. The final, crucial step for juicy steak tips is resting. Remove the steak tips from the pan and place them on a cutting board. Tent them loosely with aluminum foil and allow them to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every piece is incredibly tender and flavorful. Then, serve your perfectly cooked steak tips immediately with your favorite accompaniments. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.